Hey everybody, today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Hope you're having a decent day or maybe a great day. Today's message for us all is to lend a helping hand, which means you're going to help out. Sometimes you don't want to help out, or sometimes maybe you are nervous about asking for help, but it's always good to get that helping hand, especially to lend one. You feel better about yourself, and it feels nice to help out knowing that you helped someone who needed it. Even if they're not asking, sometimes you have to notice that, hey, that person might need a hand, so let me offer some help. You see someone carrying a lot of boxes or packages or trying to put a lot of things away that maybe mom's trying to put things away and she's got a lot to do. Offer that helping hand. And as an adult, sometimes we have to ask for help too. Sometimes it's hard because we want to do everything ourselves, but you know what? It's okay to ask for help. Helps you get things done quicker. You have fun conversations sometimes while you're helping. It just feels good to help. All right, weird but true too. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. That's weird. A line of all the Harry Potter books sold could circle the earth twice. Tarantulas can live for up to 20 years. Some of the first soles, the bottoms, of Nike shoes were made by pouring rubber into a waffle iron. How about having a waffle after that? The Earth's temperature rises slightly during a full moon. A Rubik's Cube can make 43 quintillion, 252 quadrillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000 different combinations. Now, we don't use that place value, but that is quite the amazing place value right there. So your extra credit question, one of them is going to be from the book, of course. Is going to be about this one here, about tarantulas' lifespan of 20 years. Let's say you have 7 of these that do live for those 20 years. How many years combined would all 7 of those tarantulas live for? Okay, there's your first extra credit. The next one's going to be on the little board, of course, over here to my left. All right, so as far as today, as the rest of this week will go as well, finish your review test in the workbook, the student activity book, and any quick quizzes and fluency checks that you still may have that are not finished. All right, lend that helping hand. Sometimes ask for it too, and that's all right to do. Don't feel bad about that. We all like to help out, and it's a good thing to help each other. It makes the world a little bit happier place. All right, continue your cooking and measurement task challenge. Use fractions to cook and create. Take a picture and send it. I know we had a couple of folks send them in yesterday. Let's see, Jack and Sarah and a couple other people that are escaping my mind at the moment. Okay, but another extra credit question for all those of you who are interested. I'd love to see those come through the reminder or email. Let's say Aubrey, Sophia, and Avery each use a 1 1/4 inch screw to hang plywood. What is the total length of the 3 screws they used? Okay, just those for 3 of those. If you add those together, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 is how many fourths? And then that 1 + 1 + 1. See if you can get that. You're adding those fractions a little bit, trying to get you a little bit more used to that for 4th grade. We're going to do a lot more. All right, well, have an enjoyable day. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.